Welcome to our 101 series of economic videos. Today in this video we are going to talk about difference between nominal values and real values, differences, economics, instant insurance and investment. Large scale economic is crucial. The analysis of economic performance as a whole. It's the study of economics generally which has far-reaching implications. A person's job, income and tax burden are all affected by macroeconomics. Aggregate income or a country's total revenue is a key topic of study for macroeconomics. They examine the GDP by its components: consumer spending, private investment, government consumption and investment, and net export, as well as aggregate measure of employment and unemployment. For markets are studied by economists, those for commodities, bonds, labor and money. The study of relationship between these individual marketplaces is known as microeconomics. Macroeconomic is a study of economy as a whole rather than any one market. Analysts can choose to provide the data with either nominal or real pricing for benefits and expenses. If applied uniformly to all benefits, expenses and discount rates, any option can be used without changing the results of the study. Inflation is ignored when calculating nominal values. When discussing the same data, the term real values is used to indicate the worth of statistic after inflation has been taken into account. Let's compare the real and nominal values of one exchange rate. What is nominal value? Nominal values are values that are not adjusted for inflation. These values are usually expressed in current prices, which means that they reflect the current market price of a good or service. Nominal values are often used to measure the values of goods and services produced in an economy, as well as the value of wages and salaries earned by workers. What is a real value? Real values, on other hand, are values that have been adjusted for inflation. These values are usually expressed in constant prices, which means that they reflect the value of a good or service in terms of the purchasing power of a currency at a specific point in time. Real values are often used to measure changes in the real value of goods and services produced in an economy, as well as changes in real value of wages and salaries earned by the workers. Differences: nominal and real values. The difference between nominal values and real values is crucial in understanding the true nature of economic growth and inflation. Nominal values can be misleading because they do not take into account the effects of inflation. For example, if the price of a good or service doubles over a period of time, the nominal value of that good or service will also be double. Even if the real value has remained constant, this can give the impression that economy is growing when in fact it may not be. Real values, on the other hand, takes into account the effect of inflation by adjusting for inflation. Real values provide a more accurate measure of economic performance. For example, if the price of a good or service doubles over a period of time, but the real value remains constant, the real value of that good or service will not change. This provides a more accurate measure of economic performance as it takes into account the effect of inflation. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. I'll be right back with another episode of our economy videos. Thank you so much.